Look at this slide. It shows the education of participants in a workshop. The thing I have done to this slide is using the combination of a picture and a PowerPoint shape. You can download this pen from the internet or Flat Icon site easily. I want to say that 54% of the participants had MA. Look at the pen. It's a simple rectangle, right? I added a rectangle shape from Insert and Shape and showed a percentage. For example, for 50%, I pull it to the middle of the pen. For 30%, it goes down. For 9%, 6%. I do the same in this way. I show the statistics of the education of participants in a workshop. I mean, I use a picture and a PowerPoint shape. I could show this statistic in a simple table, or I could add a simple bar chart from Insert and Chart tab and show my statistic. But by doing this, your presentation will be more creative.